Once you find out the power of the Soundstream Picasso Nano PN4.520D, you'll truly understand that size doesn't always matter with your amplifiers. This compact 4-channel amplifier comes in at a steal with a price tag of just $120. And Soundstream rates it 100 watts RMS by 4 channels at 4 ohms, 130 watts RMS by 4 channels at 2 ohm, and you can also bridge this amplifier for 260 watts by 2 channels at 4 ohms. Stay tuned in a few minutes for our amplifier power testing to see how accurate these claims are. Inside the box are 2 speaker level harnesses, hardware, owner's manual, and 4-channel amplifier. The PN4.520D is seriously compact, coming in at just 9 1/4 inches in length, 4 3/4 inches in width, and 1.5 inches in height. The power and protect LED indicators conveniently show you the amplifier status in case there's an issue to help prevent damage. This amplifier offers excellent flexibility when connecting to your signal source. A simple option is using the RCA inputs and connecting to the preamp outputs of your aftermarket head unit. Or use the included high-level harnesses to connect to the speaker outputs on the wiring harness of your factory stereo. No line output converter needed in situations where your head unit doesn't have RCA preamp outputs. For adjustments, the amplifier features gain control, 80Hz low-pass filter, and 80Hz high-pass filter. The amplifier features automatic turn-on high-level audio signal sensing. The PN4.520D features a 40-amp fuse, as well as 8-gauge speaker and power terminals. Be sure to check out our amplifier installation kits online at qualitymobilevideo.com. Alright, let's test this amplifier out and see what it hits. The first test we ran was 2 channels driven, 4 ohms to 1 kHz, 14.4 volts. Soundstream rates the amplifier 100 watts RMS by 4 channels here. Our audio precision will generate our signal and measure distortion. Our HP8903B audio analyzer picked up 101.7 watts RMS per channel, 1.02% distortion, and 20.02 volts of output. We can swap between channels. Our AMM1 read 82 watts. We got 20.12 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 17.04 amps of current. Going to 40 Hz, our HP picked up 96.43 watts RMS, 1.05% distortion, and 19.5 volts of output. We can swap between channels. The AMM1 read 88 watts. We got 19.6 volts on the Lumi, and we drew 16.98 amps of current. Our final test was frequency response. We used our audio precision to run up each frequency. Not bad, Soundstream. This thing has a decent amount of power despite its compact size. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, join the conversation below, and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.